Good morning, everyone. Welcome in the next session of nutrition in animal and man. This one is the exercise. Daily, I will show you 2 pages in which there are different questions. As you know, it is very much difficult that the questions are related with the discussed topic or not. But I am doing this only because of this reason, so that you will not get a lot of work on one day only. So your work is going to be divided. Here is Holozoic nutrition, alimentary canal, the definition. A method of nutrition that involves the egestion of liquid, solid, organic material, digestion, absorption, and assimilation of it to utilize it, converts complex substances in simple form. Second one is alimentary canal. Alimentary canal is the long muscular tube in the human body through which food passes after its ingestion. Here you can correct the word. It is not egestion, it is ingestion. 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 Please make it correct. Give the meaning of the term assimilation and rumination. Assimilation. It is the process of using the absorbed food for growth and for producing food energy. Rumination. Partially digested cellulose stored in rumen, RUMN, is called cud, CUD. The ruminants later on bring the cud back to their mouth and chew it thoroughly. This process is called rumination. Name the organs that make up the human alimentary canal. Following are the organs, the name of the organs. And today we will discuss about the nutrition in human being. You can see in this diagram, this is the digestive system of human being, mouth and buccal cavity. Now the pharynx, a long tube, oesophagus, stomach, this one is a stomach, liver, gallbladder, large intestine. This one is anus, rectum, and inside this is small intestine. Sequence of steps involved are, means in the human digestion, what are the sequence of steps in the digestion takes place? First is ingestion, means intake of food. We intake the food with the help of mouth, where the digestion takes place. Second one is digestion, breakdown of food with the help of enzymes. Digestion starts from this point, from mouth, and in the stomach, in the intestine, it takes place. Absorption, absorption of digested food, जो हमने ऊपर digest कर लिया था, उस food को अब हमारी body absorb करेगी by the wall of small intestine. देखिए, this one is the small intestine. So inside the small intestine, the digested food is absorbed. Assimilation. Assimilation का मीनिंग होता है जो फूड हमने एब्जॉर्ब किया, अब हम उसको अपनी ग्रोथ के लिए यूटिलाइज करेंगे, यूज करेंगे. सो यूटिलाइजेशन ऑफ फूड फॉर बॉडी ग्रोथ. लास्ट, इजेशन, elimination of undigested food. From here, the undigested food will be eliminated. So, in these 2 slides, we have discussed about the sequence of steps in the human digestion. We will carry this chapter in the further sessions. Okay, goodbye.